Here we have a steering wheel from a Renault Laguna III with the airbag, and I'm going to show you how to remove the steering wheel airbag. So from the bottom of the steering wheel, I just use a torque screw that can fit. And basically, you are going to push this one in towards the airbag, and what this is going to do is, so you'll be pushing, so from there you'll be pushing this one in, and then so the airbag slots downward. So once you push this one in, basically the idea would be so the airbag slots downward. So once you from the back you push it in with the screw, you'll need to pull it upwards and out. As you can see over here, it slots down. So you push that one, and then once you push that down, lift the airbag up to release. And then with these clips, first remove or gently pull out the red clip lock, and then